Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to report a scam listing on eBay. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then search for the item or listing that you think might be a scam. For example, I'm interested in this item, so tap on the listing to open the details, and here in the upper right corner of your screen tap these three dots, and from this menu tap report this item, and here eBay will provide you a form that you need to fill in where you can report a category, select the reason for the report, and detailed a reason. And when you're done, press continue button, and then eBay will review your report, and if they find a violation, eBay will remove the listing and may take action against the seller. But if you already interacted with the seller or sent a payment and now suspect a scam, go back, my eBay, and here you see help section, and search for report a problem. In the searching field, report a problem. Report an issue with a seller, with a buyer. So yeah, and then just simply open a case or request a refund under the eBay money back guarantee. So that's how you can report a scam listing on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.